Hi everyone, I'm Felix and I'm a master's student at the University of Essex. My research project involved looking at reconstructing the diet of cephalopods such as cuttlefish using the stable isotope chemistry of eye lenses and beaks. And today I'm going to be showing you how to peel an eye lens, also known as eye lens delamination of a cephalopod eye. So for this method, we're going to be using a stereoscope with at least 5 times magnification because we're working with very small eye lens material. And we're also going to need a camera and a software to measure it. We're also going to need fine tip forceps, a pipette, and tin capsules, and some Milica water. Here we have a cuttlefish eye lens. Like a fish eye lens, cuttlefish eye lens is spherical, but it consists of two parts. The smaller anterior part and then the larger posterior part here. And for this method, we're going to use the larger posterior lens because it has more material, giving us a better temporal resolution of the isotopic chronology through the life of the cuttlefish. Before we start, we need to measure the diameter of the intact lens before we start peeling. We have to make sure that it's in focus and we have the correct magnification on the stereoscope and on our software. Select this tool. We can measure. We try to measure from the widest part as much as possible to keep consistency. So this is 3,749 micrometers, and we note this on our lab book. Now we can start the peeling. Using a pipette and some Milica water, we can hydrate the eye lens so that it is easier to peel. But we also don't want it too wet, so we want to move it to a new clean spot. So because a cephalopod eye lens is hemispherical, we can turn it around and it's easier to peel it from the underside. Here we can see the concentric layers, concentric rings. We're going to start peeling from the outer edge. We're making sure to go around the whole eye lens to make sure that we're taking away equal amounts of material all the way around and keeping the eye lens as hemispherical as possible. Okay, that's our first layer done. I'm just gonna bunch these material up. I'm gonna put it away in a tin cup. We're gonna clean the forceps to minimize cross-contamination between the layers. So the diameter of the last intact lens, or we can also call it the core, is around 734 micrometers. We can store this core in the last tin cup. And that's how you peel a cephalopod islands. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.